Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to add a reading progress bar and a read time to WordPress. So currently I'm on a blog post, and if I scroll up, you can see the progress bar at the top. And you can see when I scroll up, you see the progress bar. And you can also see the reading time, which is set to 2 minutes. So let's get started. So to do that, we'll go to plugins, we'll go to add new. Now we'll search for a plugin called Read Meter. So you can see the plugin here, Read Meter. So we'll click on install now. We click on activate. So our plugin is activated successfully. So I'll go to settings. I'll go down to Read Meter. Now from here you have different tabs: general settings, read time, progress bar, and getting started. So the first option we'll be looking at here is the general settings. Now here you can select the post type. Now this is where the progress bar will be shown. So, but me, I want my own progress bar to show only on my post. That is my blog post. Now you can add it to your page's landing page, even to Elementor header and footer. But I'll set mine to only post. Now you also have words per minute, which is set to 275 by default. Now this is default setting. You can leave this. Now you also have the option to include comments. Now when you check this on, the comments will also be added to the progress bar. Now I'll set mine to checked on. I also set the images to checked on. So you can uncheck this or check this, but I'll set mine. I'll leave this. Now yours might be unchecked by default, so I just check mine on. So the next option is the read time. Now here we have the show estimated read time on a single blog post. So I'll set mine to single blog post. Now you can set yours to home or archive page, but I'll just leave mine as default. So the next option is the read time position. So mine is set to above the content. So you can have above the post title, below the post title. I'll set mine to above the content, but you can choose any options here. And the next option is the reading time prefix. Now you can change this to anything you want, but I'm going to change mine to read time. And the next option is the reading time postfix, which is set to minutes. Now I'll leave mine as default. Now you also have the font size, which is set to 15px by default. So I'll leave the default setting. You also have the margin. So I'll just leave everything here as default. I also have the background color and the text color. I'm going to change my background color. I'll put a custom color here. And also I'll change the color of the text. I'll use a white color. Now the next option is the progress bar. Now from the progress bar, you have the option to select where you want the progress bar to be shown. And I'll leave mine to top of the page. And you also have bottom of the page. So I'll leave mine to top of the page. And the next option is to select the styles. You have the normal or gradient. So I'll leave mine to normal. Now you also have the background color. So I'll leave mine set to white, but you can still change this. In the primary color, now this is the color of the progress bar. So I'll change mine to a default color. Now you also have the option to select the bar thickness. So I'm using 8 for mine, but you can use any value. Now don't forget to save your changes. So in the general settings, don't forget to save the changes. Ensure you save the changes. In the read time, ensure you save your changes. Now if you don't save this, it's not going to work. To save changes, go to progress bar and you save the changes. So the next step is to view my blog post. So currently I'm on my blog post. So when I scroll up, I should see the read time, which is set to 2 minutes. And when I scroll up again, I should see the progress bar here. So you can see the progress bar at the top. Now when I'm not scrolling, you can see that the progress bar is faded. And when I start scrolling, the progress bar becomes activated. So you can see when I stop scrolling, the progress bar becomes faded. Then when I scroll, it's activated again. So with this, guys, we've successfully added a progress bar and a read time to our WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I would like to know how today's video has helped you out on your WordPress career journey. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys.